Mastering the SAT essay format. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our series on the SAT test structure. Today, we're diving deep into a particularly important part of the SAT, the essay. Even though it's optional, understanding its format can give you an advantage. So, let's jump right in and learn all about the SAT essay format. Before understanding the format, it's essential to know why this essay exists. The SAT essay aims to assess your ability to analyze a source text and articulate a coherent, persuasive argument based on evidence from that text. It's less about your opinion and more about how well you can deconstruct and explain an author's argument. You'll always get a standard prompt in the SAT essay. This is the instruction you have to follow while analyzing the provided passage. The prompt will ask you to explain how the author builds an argument to persuade their audience. Remember, this isn't about agreeing or disagreeing but dissecting the techniques the author uses. The SAT will present you with a passage that's about 650 to 750 words long. It's typically a high-quality work of nonfiction, and it's your job to analyze it. The passages are meant to be general, meaning you don't need specialist knowledge to understand or analyze them. Now, the part you've been waiting for. Here's the recommended format. 1. Introduction. Start with a brief summary of the passage's argument. This shouldn't be long, just a couple of sentences to give context. 2. Thesis statement. Clearly state what techniques the author uses to build their argument. This will guide your entire essay. 3. Body paragraphs, 2 to 3. Each paragraph should focus on one technique. Begin with a topic sentence, provide examples from the passage, and then explain the technique's effect. 4. Conclusion. Summarize your points and restate how these techniques contribute to the author's persuasive power. Remember, your essay should be around 650 to 750 words. It's a tight framework, so make every word count. Practice with different passages. The more you practice, the better you'll get at quickly identifying and analyzing techniques. Stay objective. Your personal opinion about the passage's topic doesn't matter. Stay focused on the author's techniques. Proofread. Spelling and grammar do matter. Once you've written your essay, take a few minutes to check for errors. That's a wrap on the SAT essay format. By understanding the structure and expectations, you're setting yourself up for success. We hope you found this overview helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, it's not about your opinion but how you present and support your analysis. Until next time, happy studying!